Thank you. Today we are in the presence of the General Manager of Asia and Africa for dLocal. So let's start then addressing some of the challenges that the remittance industry is facing right now. But before going into depth, let's have a very brief introduction for Agustin Cerisola joining us today. Hi, Agustin.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you for joining us. Let's talk a little bit about you and the role that you are currently undergoing for dLocal.
Sure. So, first of all, I've been with dLocal for 6 years. I'm based out of South Africa, and today I'm leading our efforts for remittances and also Africa and Asia as a region.
Beautiful. That's great. And I think one of the things that we've enjoyed the most during this conference is the presence that you've had and the different interactions that dLocal have had in our agenda. So we also heard dLocal's voice on the LATAM Partnership panel, and also we heard yours as well in the Africa Bridging Continents panel as well. So let's talk about, as I mentioned before as we started, about the challenges that the companies in remittances are currently facing.
Sure. I think remittances, covers such an important need for many, for the diaspora of the different markets that we currently serve. And this is people literally sending money home. So I think the first challenge that we need to address is making sure that when we provide services to the money remittance companies that are we need to make sure that the first thing is being reliable, being consistent, making sure the money reaches to the destination. And we take that very, very seriously. And we do this for the world's largest companies, not only money remittance companies, but also any Fortune 500 company that you can think of. It's already our client. So yeah, we take that very, very seriously.
We know, talking about those expansion needs that we see on the market now, what are the options and solutions that dLocal can offer for different companies, of course, in the remittance industry?
Absolutely. So I like to take a step back, first of all, and how do we think ourselves when we expand to a market? In every market that we expand, we always want to get access to last mile connections and direct access to all of the banks and the local financial infrastructure and the relevant payment methods. And we want to enable all of those relevant local options to our clients. And so in every market that we operate currently in 14 markets across Asia, across Africa, across Middle East, across Latin America. We do it by hiring a local team, setting up our own local entity, understanding the regulations, getting a regulatory license if needed, and then, yes, connecting directly to all of the relevant payments. So that deepness in the financial infrastructure of each of the country allow us to be that go-to partner for many of the money remittance companies that are interested in sending money to the markets we cover.
Good. So we have had, actually, like I mentioned before, the opportunity of listening to all of the different strategies and approaches that across different continents and markets dLocal is establishing. So if you want to learn a little bit more about it, I kindly invite you to join us for the recordings of those panels. It will be great to hear back. And of course, reach out to dLocal. It's been great to have you here at our event. And then, let us a little bit know what has been that experience this year at our conference.
I think we're really excited to participate as a gold sponsor this year. I think what we really like about this event is the level of conversations we have. It's an opportunity for us to meet all of our relevant clients in the industry, and every interaction we have with our clients is super valuable for us and for them as well. Like it's a place where all of the leaders of the industry gather, and it's exactly the kind of events we really enjoy attending.
Thank you. So counting with sponsors and also partners that are knowledgeable, that are also looking out for reliable, trustworthy different systems for transmitting money across the world. It's something that is very important. So we are very appreciative of that partnership that we have, where we've been honored and grateful for dLocal's presence at CrossTech this year. So Agustin, it's a pleasure. Thank you so much. So we are going to look up to all of those different panel interactions from dLocal in CrossTech this year. So tune.
Thank you so much. Looking forward to next year.